we got Beetlejuice coming out here in this spot. And I've already noticed, I've just been farting around a little bit. And I've already noticed that Beetlejuice is a lot better at this than Trusty Rusty is. And Trusty Rusty's pretty good, but I mean, look at that. It's right all over it. You don't have to be as picky. I can just climb right up this one. I don't have to pick the best of lines when I'm using Beetlejuice. Sometimes, yeah, I still gotta turn around, get that, you know. Get that off my tire. I don't want no weeds on my tire. Oh yeah. Check out that tire squish. Oh yeah, tire squish. But we can do some more aggressive things with Beetlejuice. Oh yeah. Look at that tire squish. Oh yeah, tire squish. I mean, it's not to say that Beetlejuice can then just, you know, go over anything and I never have any issues. It's just a lot better at, you know, making it where it needs to go. For example, we're gonna try a couple more difficult spots if I can get turned around here. Like we could go, hold on. We come up this way, come out through here. It's a lot less tippy with low center of gravity and whatnot. You know, your tires can come out and grab a hold of other terrain a lot better. This not being a great example, but we got up that. So, like a spot that Trusty Rusty really couldn't make it through is right through here. And Beetlejuice can make it happen. So, oh, and I tip it over. But like up here is no big deal. Beetlejuice can climb right up that. Which, in that particular spot, Trusty Rusty can make it. It's just, it takes a little bit of spinning. But I mean, even backing up, you can get yourself in a better place. We're gonna come over, let's use this spot again. Or even if I come up through here, you know, sometimes it takes driving on that sidewall. No, I guess can't quite make that. What if we go up like that? Nope. Still doesn't quite want to make that tight of a pinch. But anyways, it's gonna wrap it up for this video, so thanks for watching.